Moving averages are a popular technical analysis tool used in trading to help smooth out price data and identify trends. A moving average is calculated by taking the average price of a security over a specific period. This average is constantly updated as new data comes in, creating a moving line on a price chart. There are three main types of moving averages: simple moving average, SMA. This calculates the arithmetic mean of a given set of prices over a specific number of days. For example, a 20-day SMA adds up the closing prices of the last 20 days and divides by 20. Exponential moving average, EMA. This places greater weight on more recent prices, making it more responsive to new information. It's calculated using a smoothing factor to give more significance to recent prices. Weighted moving average, WMA. This is another type of moving average where more recent data points are assigned greater importance than older data points. In a WMA, each data point is multiplied by a predetermined weight. These weights decrease linearly over the time period considered. For instance, in a 5-day WMA, the most recent day's price might be multiplied by 5, the previous day's price by 4, and so on, down to the 5th day's price multiplied by 1. The sum of these products is then divided by the sum of the weights to get the average. Moving averages are used to identify trends and potential buy or sell signals. When the price is consistently above the moving average, it indicates an uptrend. When it's below, it suggests a downtrend. In an uptrend, a moving average can act as a support level, where the price tends to bounce off. In a downtrend, it can act as a resistance level. When a shorter-term moving average crosses above a longer-term moving average, it can signal a potential buy opportunity, bullish crossover. Conversely, when the shorter-term moving average crosses below, it can signal a potential sell opportunity, bearish crossover. Moving averages help filter out short-term price fluctuations, making it easier to see the overall trend.